Welcome to our summary of The Energy Bus by Jon Gordon. This book is all about the power of positive energy and how it can make a big difference in our lives. Whether you're at work, at home, on a sports team, or in school, positive energy can help you achieve great things. But it's not just about being cheerful. It's about having optimism, trust, enthusiasm, and purpose. These qualities don't just make us feel better, they help us and our teams succeed. By embracing positive energy, we can create changes that lead to success in all areas of life, both personally and professionally. The main idea of the book is simple. Positive energy is key to success. It helps us face challenges, build strong teams, and get through tough times. This energy fuels growth in both our personal and work lives, creating a wave of enthusiasm that lifts everyone up. By focusing on this energy, we can reach our full potential, leading to bigger achievements and a happier life. The story in the book centers around George, a man who is stuck in negativity. His marriage is struggling, and he's close to losing his job because his team isn't doing well. George feels like his life is falling apart until a flat tire forces him to take a bus, where he meets Joy, the bus driver. Joy's positive attitude and her 10 rules for the ride of your life are very different from how George usually thinks. At first, George is skeptical, but as his problems at work and home get worse, he starts to listen to Joy. These rules, which focus on taking responsibility, having a clear vision, and staying positive, begin to make sense to him. As George starts to follow these rules, he goes from being a passive observer in his life to taking control. He learns how to set clear goals, fill his actions with positive energy, and face negativity directly. This change not only helps his team at work and improves his performance, but it also strengthens his family relationships. George's journey shows how powerful positive energy can be, proving that a life guided by optimism, purpose, and joy is not only possible, but life-changing. The first and most important rule, "You're the driver of your bus," sets the foundation for the book's message. It reminds us that we have the power to take control of our lives, making us active drivers instead of passive passengers. This idea highlights our ability to shape our own paths, encouraging us to stop letting others or circumstances control us. It pushes us to take charge and move confidently towards our goals. This rule is a strong call to action, telling us to rise above what society expects and define success for ourselves. It's about creating a path that matches our values and dreams, reminding us that we have the power to shape our destiny. "You're the driver of your bus" is a powerful reminder to take control, follow our dreams with passion, and build a life that reflects who we are and what we want to be. As the journey continues, the next important idea in the Energy Bus is about direction, desire, vision, and focus. Move your bus in the right direction. This rule shows us how important it is to have a clear goal and purpose in life. It's not enough to just hope things will get better. We need a clear picture in our minds of what success looks like. This vision helps us stay on track, giving us direction and purpose even when things get tough. The book also talks about the law of attraction, which is the idea that our thoughts and beliefs can shape our reality. It suggests that what we focus on can bring similar experiences and outcomes into our lives. By imagining our goals and keeping a positive attitude, we create energy that helps make those goals a reality. It's about using the power of our minds to turn our thoughts into actions that lead to success. This rule also tells us to focus on what we want, not on what we don't want. When we dwell on negativity or what's missing in our lives, we end up making those problems bigger. Instead, we should focus our energy on what we want to achieve and the good things we already have. This kind of focus gives us a sense of purpose and pushes us forward, helping us create the lives we want. The third rule, "Fuel your ride with positive energy," is all about what keeps the energy bus moving. It reminds us that every day we have a choice to fill our lives with positive or negative energy. While this choice might seem simple, it has a big impact on our experiences and the results we get. The book even compares this idea to Einstein's equation, E=mc², showing that everything, including us, is made of energy. This idea applies to our daily lives, suggesting that our thoughts, words, and actions are all forms of energy that shape the world around us. We're encouraged to be mindful of the kind of energy we're putting out there. Positive thoughts and actions create a good energy field, while negativity can drag us down. The book stresses how important it is to choose positivity, especially when things are tough, and to adopt a mindset of gratitude, optimism, and resilience. These qualities not only make us feel better, but also have a positive effect on those around us. It's important to understand that being positive doesn't mean ignoring negative feelings. Instead, it's about choosing to focus on the positive and consistently nurturing thoughts, feelings, and actions that lift us up. This positive energy then becomes the fuel that drives us toward our goals, making our journey more rewarding and satisfying. The fourth rule, invite people on your bus and share your vision for the road ahead, is key to building a strong team. This rule uses the image of a bus journey to show how important it is to gather people who share your vision and are excited to contribute their talents. The book makes it clear that big successes rarely happen alone. They need the energy and cooperation of a team working together. This idea also highlights the importance of clear and passionate communication when sharing your vision. By clearly expressing your goals, you invite others to join your journey, inspiring them to help you reach your mission. Sharing your vision isn't just about giving information, it's about building a sense of commitment and unity, encouraging everyone to fully invest in the shared goals. The more people you bring into your vision, the stronger the momentum you create, helping everyone move toward success together. The book highlights how powerful it is when people work together and encourages leaders to actively look for and welcome those who can help along the way. Doing this creates a culture where everyone shares responsibility and supports each other, forming a team that doesn't just work together, but thrives together. This shared journey becomes a group effort, with each person playing an important role in moving towards success. The fifth rule, don't waste your energy on those who don't get on your bus, teaches an important lesson about using your energy wisely and staying strong when faced with people who don't care or don't support you. The book suggests that it's important to focus your passion and efforts on those who understand and share your vision instead of trying to convince those who aren't interested or don't agree. Understanding that not everyone will align with your goals is a key part of being a leader. This rule encourages you to shift your focus from trying to win over people who aren't interested to helping and empowering those who are already with you. Trying to get everyone's approval isn't just hard, it can also be tiring. Instead, by supporting those who believe in your vision, you make the best use of your energy and build a strong, motivated team. By adopting this mindset, you free yourself from the exhausting task of trying to please everyone, allowing you to focus on building strong connections with people who are on the same page as you. This approach not only saves your energy, but also makes your team efforts stronger. The book helps readers learn how to handle rejection gracefully, showing that real progress and satisfaction come from working with people who are truly committed to the shared vision. The sixth rule, post a sign that says "No energy vampires allowed on your bus," acts as an important defense against negativity. This rule points out how harmful energy vampires can be. These are people whose negativity, constant complaints, and pessimism can drain your energy and slow you down. Whether the negativity comes from within or from others, it can be a major obstacle to reaching success and personal happiness. This principle stresses the need to recognize and deal with negativity. It encourages you to set clear boundaries and create a positive environment by keeping negative influences away. While it's not always easy to deal with negative people, whether they're colleagues, friends, or family members, The book emphasizes that your well-being and success depend on surrounding yourself with positive people and limiting your time with those who drain your energy. By sticking to a no energy vampires allowed policy, you create a space where positivity can grow. This rule empowers you to take control of your environment and choose the people around you carefully, making a place where growth, enthusiasm, and success can flourish. Here, the bus represents a safe place for positivity, where everyone contributes to a supportive and uplifting atmosphere, helping the whole journey move forward with energy. The seventh rule, enthusiasm attracts more passengers and energizes them during the ride, explores how powerful genuine enthusiasm can be. Enthusiasm isn't just a passing feeling, it's a deep force that connects us to our purpose and inspiration. When leaders show real enthusiasm for what they believe in, it acts like a magnet, pulling others in and creating a shared desire to be part of the mission. The book highlights the importance of being real when showing enthusiasm, warning against fake excitement that people can easily spot. True enthusiasm comes from a deep love for what you're doing, and it shows through your actions, words, and overall attitude. This genuine passion not only attracts followers, but also energizes them, creating a ripple effect that inspires and lifts up everyone involved. This rule shows how important passion and excitement are in both leadership and personal efforts. When you show real enthusiasm, you not only attract others to your vision, but also create an environment where everyone feels motivated and ready to do their best. The book encourages us to tap into our inner enthusiasm and use it to lift ourselves and those around us. It reminds us that the most rewarding successes come when we're driven by passion and a strong sense of purpose. Building on the idea of connection, the eighth rule, love your passengers, looks at how genuine care and affection can change the way we lead. The book explains that the best leaders are those who create an atmosphere of appreciation and support, going beyond just motivating people or focusing on performance. It's important to make people feel valued and loved, and doing this is key to building a team that is engaged and committed. This rule talks about the importance of empathy and showing real interest in the lives and goals of your team members. When leaders genuinely care about their team's well-being, they build loyalty and trust, creating bonds that are stronger and last longer than any material reward. This emotional connection, based on respect and care, motivates people to excel, fully commit to the team's goals, and give their best. The main idea of this rule is to take leadership beyond just doing business. It encourages leaders to build meaningful relationships with their team, creating a culture where people feel connected, supported, and valued. In this kind of environment, the journey isn't just about reaching a destination. It's about building a community where everyone feels like they're part of something meaningful. The ninth rule, drive with purpose, shows how important it is to have a clear purpose guiding your journey. The book strongly argues that having a clear sense of purpose is the best motivator. It gives you the strength to overcome obstacles and makes even routine tasks feel meaningful. The story of a NASA janitor who saw his work as part of the mission to put a man on the moon shows how a deep sense of purpose can turn ordinary tasks into something special. Purpose, according to the book, isn't something you find. It's something you create by connecting your daily efforts to a larger goal. It's about seeing how even small tasks contribute to bigger goals and understanding the broader impact of what you do. When we work with this sense of purpose, we unlock a powerful energy and enthusiasm that helps us push through challenges and keeps us moving forward. The book invites everyone to start a personal journey to find their bigger purpose, a search to discover what gives their work and life deep meaning. This journey is more than just about personal success. It's about making a difference that gives you direction and inspires others around you. Building on this idea, the ninth rule in the energy bus shows how powerful it can be to connect your actions with a bigger purpose. When we link our daily tasks to a larger goal, we find a strong motivation that makes even simple tasks feel important. This rule encourages us to change how we see things, to notice the special in the ordinary, and to see our work as part of a bigger story. By having a purpose, we add meaning to our lives, making every step of our journey valuable. Our journey becomes more than just getting to a destination. It becomes a meaningful adventure where every moment counts. The last rule, have fun and enjoy the ride, reminds us that life isn't just about reaching goals, but also about finding joy along the way. It encourages us to enjoy life, be grateful, and stay playful, showing that true happiness comes from the experiences and connections we make, not just from achieving things. This rule challenges the idea that life is all about accomplishments, urging us instead to enjoy the present and find joy in everyday moments. It's about appreciating the simple things, celebrating small wins, and being thankful for the blessings we have each day. This rule also highlights how important it is to be present and mindful. It warns us not to get so caught up in future plans or past regrets that we miss out on the beauty of the present moment. The book encourages us to approach each day with a sense of wonder, treating it as a precious chance filled with possibilities. By focusing on the present and finding joy in small things, we can create a life that's not only successful, but also deeply fulfilling and happy. The final message from the Energy Bus is a strong reminder to slow down, breathe, and really appreciate the journey of life. It tells us to let go of stress and embrace each moment with joy and gratitude, turning our life into a celebration of the present, full of wonder, appreciation, and deep contentment. As we reach the end of the Energy Bus, the book brings everything together by showing how positive energy transformed George's life. George starts out feeling negative, but his story changes into one full of enthusiasm and purpose. This change doesn't just affect him, it also positively impacts his relationships, his work, and his entire life. George's journey is a powerful example of the book's main idea, that choosing positivity can create a ripple effect of change that reaches far beyond just one person. The book breaks down its ideas into 10 simple rules, giving you a clear guide for building a positive and successful life. These rules cover important things like taking control of your life, having a clear vision, using positive energy to drive your actions, surrounding yourself with supportive people, and finding joy and gratitude in everything you do. The main idea is that by following these rules, you can handle life's challenges with strength, go after your goals with passion, and create a life that's not just successful, but also deeply fulfilling. These aren't just ideas, they are practical steps that help you change your life and reach your full potential. As the book wraps up, it invites you to embrace the Energy Bus way of thinking and start your own journey of transformation. It encourages you to take control of your life, guided by purpose and positivity. The final message is one of hope and empowerment, reminding us that we have the power to shape our own futures and create a life full of joy, meaning, and success. This is a call to action, not just to understand the book's lessons, but to put them into practice, becoming the driver of your own energy bus, and starting the exciting and fulfilling journey that life has to offer. The book leaves you feeling positive and inspired, ready to take charge and create a life that truly reflects who you are. If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring you more insightful book summaries and practical advice. Stay tuned for more content that can help you achieve your financial goals and personal growth. Thanks for watching,